Did you know that by the age of 35, two-thirds of American men will experience some degree of noticeable hair loss? And it's not just a men's issue. Women make up 40% of hair loss sufferers. Yes, it's a reality that hair loss is more common than most people think, and it can manifest at any age. It's a widespread concern that affects millions, shattering stereotypes and misconceptions. But don't fret, we've got you covered with our top 5 tips to prevent hair loss. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have eat a balanced diet. Now you might be thinking, what does food have to do with my hair? Well, a lot actually. Your hair needs a variety of vitamins and minerals to stay healthy and strong. For instance, protein is essential for hair growth, while iron helps carry oxygen to your hair follicles, promoting healthy growth. So make sure your meals are packed with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Moving on to tip number 4, manage stress. You might not realize it, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hair, often leading to hair loss. It's because when you're stressed, your body produces stress hormones that can disrupt the hair growth cycle. So it's essential to find ways to unwind and relax. It could be as simple as taking a walk, reading a book, or practicing mindfulness and meditation. At number 3, we have another great tip: regular scalp massages. These aren't just relaxing, they're beneficial for your hair too. Massaging your scalp for a few minutes each day can help stimulate blood circulation, ensuring your hair follicles get the nutrients they need to thrive. Next up, at number 2, regular exercise. You might be wondering, how does breaking a sweat help my hair? Well, exercise increases blood flow throughout your body, including your scalp. This means more nutrients and oxygen reach your hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. And finally, at number 1, the top tip to prevent hair loss: avoid harsh hair treatments. Regularly using heat styling tools, chemical hair dyes, and harsh shampoos can damage your hair and lead to breakage and hair loss. Instead, opt for gentle, natural hair care products and limit the use of heat styling tools. Remember, your hair is a reflection of your overall health, so take good care of it. So, to recap, our top 5 tips to prevent hair loss are: maintaining a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients, effectively managing stress through practices like mindfulness, massaging the scalp to stimulate blood flow, committing to regular exercise, and steering clear of harsh hair treatments that can damage your locks. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and watch your hair transform. Also, check the video description for our recommended hair care products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content.